dollar is in these big structure, weekly structures that we can see, and this last part is still in developing. Literally, that will be a finish structure for one more leg higher that will go and break all those tops. But as it looks like, that's still far away because we have few more weeks to complete the structure first. Okay, this daily structure, as we are currently looking into, has this movement, and this third movement of the corrective structure for more upside, it's not yet completed. So I do believe we will go for a correction on 4 hour, and then we will still see more downside. So let's look at a little bit closer for a better understanding of the market structures. Price is coming down over there, and we are correcting, and now we are dropping lower, but we have to make a correction before we will see a further push to the downside on dollar across the market. So what we have over there, it's very nice structure, but here will be one more 4 hour correction that will give us a perfect running flat, and that running flat will push one more leg to the upside, not crossing above that high. So this high will not be violated, we will be staying under that one, and this will be the structure then for one more leg to the downside. So for the week ahead, what we can do, we will be probably taking only sells as it currently looks like. Let's go to the 4 hour. So what the 4 hour is trying to tell us that we are slowly pushing lower and lower. So the move will be similar like this one. We will have a kind of similar movement over there that would create a nice running flat, and then we will be heading to the upside or therefore another leg higher. This will be somewhere my target for my buys, and this would then become a one huge correction relationship to this impulse for one more leg to the downside. So how we can trade this? Definitely this will be tradable this week for the downside. Okay, this last piece over there, it's still possible over there. And then by the end of this week, we may anticipate that the price will start bouncing over there, and we will see a further move to the upside. So that's now up to you. Would you like to take trades over there? There are still some trades. You will have to trade it on lower time frame, on 15-minute. There will be sell setups. You can take a sell down and again sell and down, and then of course you can still skip if you don't know how to trade it, if there is not big room for you. Okay, so I will be watching over there how the price will react. I would like to see the strong bounce off and then pull back or correction, and then I would anticipate more upside over there. So this is how I will be trading. This is where I will place my focus on. I will definitely try to see if I will get any chance to take this sell. I believe that there are good possibilities that we can have a selling over there. The move is pretty nice. I still think that there is nice money to be made. There is already one 15-minute correction in the making. We have to monitor this one, how this will develop. Okay, will it either break here or it will make much bigger correction, or it can be even more complex. Can it change? Yes, it can change, but as it stands right now, I don't see any changing of the structure. Then if this will be a change, or if this will have any deeper pullback, then of course this move has to go much higher. Then we have a pullback in that direction, and then we'll be going to the upside, breaking the top, but there is still then possibility that the price will go lower. But for now, this kind of scenario it's not in play. I will still stick for the sell setup as it looks like. Okay, this I will be watching this correction over there, how it develops, and then this move back to this low over there.